Hi everyone, Jason Chan here. I'm your Customer Success Manager, Product Evangelist here in Intentwise with a new feature release video. We recently upgraded the ability for you to add new keywords, and I'm really excited to show you what changes were made and how this would actually help you in adding keywords, a lot of keywords to your existing campaigns so much easier. So previously, what I'm looking at here is your previous way of adding new keywords. So kind of to refresh your memory, what you need to do is select your X amount of campaigns and then select your ad groups. For these particular campaigns, and I would like to add these keywords with these type of match type. I need to maybe I want exact phrase and broad, but you know what? I don't want to add this. I don't want to add broad for this campaign. So it's very constraining. You can really pick and choose which campaigns for which keywords and what for what match type exactly. It's an all or nothing scenario. Same thing for bids. Bids, if you want some of these to use suggested bids and maybe some custom bids, you can't really do that here on this particular screen. So let's go over to the next window here. Now, after you selected everything, this is where you actually can update your bids here for these particular match types and campaigns, or you can apply all as well. So this is the previous workflow. Now in the new workflow, what you would need to do is go to your sponsored products, keywords, and then add new keywords. Same thing for sponsored brands. You will select your campaigns. Let's select everything here. When it comes to keywords, you can, let me type in a few here: drones for kids and maybe drone controllers. If you have a list of search terms you found on in your search term report, perhaps you can cut and paste that here. Once you are good with your keywords, what you would do is select next. Over here is where you can select your match types. It's very flexible in terms of, hey, for each particular campaign and ad group and keywords, you can really get into the detail of identifying the match types you want to use. Again, if this particular campaign is only exact match campaigns, I want to uncheck this. If my strategy is to promote keywords from auto to broad, I want to make sure this is my broad campaign. I want to put everything here, and maybe I change my mind for exact. I want broad here, and then I want to delete this. This does not apply for this campaign after looking at this. So after you are finalize your customize your match types for each campaign, you can go to the next window. And this is where you could set your bids. So we gave you flexibility here as well. You can filter by the match types here. You could maybe you want to focus on just exact first. You can do that. So let's check everything here. So these are all the keywords and our campaigns. What we can do is look at each of these and make sure it makes sense for us. This one I might want to use the lower range of the suggested bid. I can click on that easily. This one here, 377. I want to be on top of the range here. This one, let's keep it that way. Here's another way for you to set your bids. So if I want to select these three particular rows, I can use custom bids. Let's say I want everything here to be $1.25. I can apply that here as well. If you change your mind, very easy. You can go back to your suggested bid here, or check everything and just use the Amazon suggested bid here, and you can apply that, and this will basically kind of reset everything for you. Okay, so let me cancel out of this and go into product targeting. Very similar here. You can go ahead and add product target, select your campaigns, enter your list of ASINs here, and then click on next. So from this window, very similar to the one previously, you can select the bids for each of these campaigns. Again, you could go with the lower range, the higher range here, or set your own custom bids. So again, this is a great improvement from what you saw previously. So if you have any questions on this video on the new way for adding new keywords, feel free to reach out to us. Talk to you later. Thank you for watching.